Welcome to the world of unstoppable shredders, where trees are torn apart in seconds by monstrous forestry machines. From trunks to twigs, nothing survives the jaws of these brutal chippers. Subscribe now for raw power in action. Welcome to Graincraft Channel. Before us is the high-capacity wood chipper Bandit 21XP, one of the leading machines in the wood processing industry. It features a wide feed opening, allowing it to handle large logs with diameters over 21 inches. A powerful hydraulic steel arm grips and feeds the log into the chipper drum. Inside, a high-speed rotating drum equipped with blades quickly pulverizes the logs into wood chips. The shredded wood chips are expelled through the discharge chute, ready for transport or recycling. With its robust build, easy operation, and continuous performance, the Bandit 21XP is an ideal choice for logging companies, green waste processors, and urban tree services. This is power and efficiency at your fingertips. The Bandit 21XP, your partner in every green project. The Petzolato PTH 1400 to 1000 wood chipper, powered by a robust Caterpillar C2 engine, looms like a massive steel beast awakened in the heart of the timber yard. A huge log is slowly fed into its jaws, and the machine begins to devour it with deliberate precision, as if savoring every fiber of the wood in its own mechanical way. The grinding drum spins steadily, while the internal blades tear through thick timber with terrifying force. Each pull of the log is accompanied by a deep, rumbling growl that shakes the ground. Instantly, thousands of wood chips are launched from the discharge chute, building up into a gigantic mountain of shredded wood behind the machine. Introducing the Hartnett Products HP62S, a self-feeding PTO wood chipper built for farms, orchards, and landowners. Compact but powerful, this machine attaches to your tractor's PTO and handles branches up to 6 inches thick with ease. Its self-feeding design pulls in materials smoothly, grinding branches and brush into clean, even wood chips in seconds. Built for reliability, mobility, and low-maintenance operation, the HP62S is perfect for clearing land, pruning, or storm cleanup. Simple, strong, efficient. The man carefully feeds each log into the wood chipper. Around him, the landscape is covered in a blanket of white snow, creating a peaceful yet lively atmosphere. The large machine operates steadily, the engine's roar blending with the crunching sound of wood being shredded. Despite the freezing weather, both the man and the machine work diligently, a testament to perseverance and enduring strength amid the harshness of nature. In front of the machine, thick logs are neatly lined up, waiting their turn, as if aware of the transformation ahead. The hydraulic grapple arm moves slowly but precisely, feeding each piece into the chipper with deliberate care. There's no haste, only firm, methodical motion, like an intelligent steel limit work. As each log meets the jaws of the HEM 821 Cobra hybrid, it's pulled inside and instantly shredded into a stream of wood chips, flowing out the back. It's an industrial scene, almost mechanical choreography. Mounted on a powerful Volvo truck chassis, the ChipMax 484VR appears like a mobile wood processing station, ready to take on any challenge. With a compact design yet outstanding capacity, this machine can be transported to any logging site, from the forest edge to central wood yards. A dedicated loader gently lifts each log and places it into the feed chute. The moment contact is made, ChipMax's hydraulic feed system kicks in, pulling the timber deep inside. Reinforced steel blades spin at high speed, shredding the wood into uniform chips with remarkable precision. Whether it's branches, logging residue, or full logs, everything is processed cleanly and efficiently. The resulting wood chips are directly discharged into a storage truck or designated pile, optimizing transport efficiency and minimizing labor needs. The ChipMax 484VR is more than just a chipper. It's a flexible mobile solution, bringing wood processing technology directly to the source, saving both time and operating costs for the modern forestry industry. A massive, bright red machine stands tall, the Moorbark 1100 tub grinder, a true mechanical beast at work in the woodyard. Its giant spinning tub rotates relentlessly, like a steel mouth wide open, ready to consume whatever comes its way. One by one, thick logs and tangled branches are lifted and dropped in by the grapple, disappearing into the grinder's hungry core. Inside, heavy-duty hammers tear the wood apart with raw power, transforming massive limbs into fine, uniform mulch within seconds. From the rear, a steady stream of shredded material bursts out, destined for biomass energy, landscaping mulch, or industrial reuse. The roar of the engine, the swirling motion of the tub, and the constant feed of raw timber create a symphony of efficiency and force. Bright red, bold, and built for performance. The Moorbark 1100 isn't just a machine. It's a symbol of industrial strength in modern forestry. The Jin's HEM 820 wood chipper operates with impressive precision and raw power. It doesn't thrash wildly. Instead, every movement is deliberate, forceful, and efficient, like a dedicated worker focused on its task. Massive logs are firmly gripped by the hydraulic arm and guided straight into the chipper's feed system. Inside, high-speed blades shred the timber into fine chips, blasting them into the truck's container with relentless rhythm. Every detail of the machine exudes seriousness and dependability, as if it was purpose-built for this demanding job. Meet the Vermeer BC 700XL, a compact but powerful wood chipper built for everyday performance. Equipped with a 25 horsepower engine and Vermeer's smart feed system, it quickly and safely processes branches up to 17 centimeters in diameter. Watch as it pulls and limbs smoothly with its vertical feed rollers and reduces brush into clean, uniform wood chips in seconds. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and built with professional-grade reliability. The BC 700XL is the perfect machine for landscapers, arborists, and tree care crews on the move. The Morbark M20 or wood chipper stands firm amidst the wild landscapes of Scotland. Silent in presence, yet roaring with raw power. Like a massive steel beast, it devours round logs one after another, relentless and efficient. Inside, the grinding drum spins steadily, pulling in each log and tearing it apart into countless small chips. Light golden wood fragments are continuously blasted from the discharge chute, flowing like a waterfall of timber, forming an ever-growing pile behind the machine. It's a mesmerizing scene of pure mechanical force at work in the rugged beauty of the Scottish wilderness. This is the CBI 6400 CT, one of the most powerful horizontal grinders on the planet. Designed for high-volume wood processing, it can crush whole trees, stumps, logs, and even construction debris with brutal efficiency. Its massive rotor, smart feed system, and heavy-duty frame make it a true powerhouse in the field. In just seconds, the 6400 CT turns giant timber into clean, uniform mulch or wood chips. Whether you're clearing land, producing biomass, or recycling green waste, this machine gets the job done fast, clean, and without compromise. CBI 6400 CT, built to grind everything and stop for nothing. In the heart of the logging site, the powerful Bandit 3590XL roars to life. Fueled by extreme horsepower, this whole tree chipper can devour full-length logs with unmatched speed. Working seamlessly with the Rotabeck cab loader, the system lifts and feeds massive tree trunks into the chipper's hungry jaws. In seconds, towering trees are shredded into uniform wood chips. This is not just forestry work. It's high-efficiency power in action. The Bandit 3590XL with Rotabeck cab loader, built to move mountains of wood.